'cause the boys are back in town.
So, what's up guys?
Burning it down. Ashes to ashes, burning down.
So, what's up guys? Punta kami Iwakloy.
Excited na ako guys.
Some days the good things aren't easy to find, but if you're looking you'll see plenty around. It's in the background and out in plain sight.
So dahil sobrang init,
Good things happen
Day
all
one.
the time.
sa bakasyon, try muna ako namin maligo sa libreng ilog.
And often people will be kind.
Malolo libre lang,
Good news
lapit lang sa bayan, sa bahay.
make the headline. The good things happen all the time. Good things happen all the time. Good things happen all the time. All the time.
Lakas. Pwede ka magganito. Oh.
Turing ka lang. Dali.
I think most of us get along just fine. Trouble may be in the spotlight, but good things happen all the time.
Plus,
There's
tanggal ang lamig, tanggal ang init.
shadows, just plenty.
Tama-tama chill lang habang bakasyon.
Some doing wrong, but so many doing right. Behind the clouds is a sun ready to shine. Good days happen all the time. Good things happen all the time. Good things happen all the time. All the time. Good things do happen all the time.
Ay, nadali. Hi.
Batas mo.
When the tide turns to sea and
I'm
the
Hershey.
moon lights the shore,
Hi.
will you stay out till it's
Ligo
light?
kami. Liligo.
Swim a little deeper, I can be a seabird waiting on the cliffs by the
Ligo ulit sa ilog.
on the tip of my
Ang
toe,
batingchang.
lift my heart to the sky.
Ay,
How the summer
bagong gising eh.
always ends too
Hello na.
soon.
Hi. Dali.
We'll swim
First
a
time
little
mag-ilog ni Hershey.
deeper, I can be a seabird
Swimming?
waiting on the cliffs to
Swimming?
see you.
Ilog. Ilog.
Think about
Hello tayo.
passing hands of
Lapit na ang
time.
magchichay. Oh, miming na.
The universe or the empty northern sky. You are the morning light. When the winds move on and the leaves are all gone, will you float out in the night with me? Swim a little deeper, I can be a seabird waiting on the cliffs by the sea. The rocks and the stones keep us safe in our home, and we'll sleep until the
Hi. Ligo na.
We'll swim a little deeper, I can be a seabird waiting on the cliffs to see you. And think about the passing hands of time. The universe or the empty northern tidal waving, oh hey, yeah. Tidal waving, oh hey, yeah. Tidal waving, oh hey, yeah. Tidal waving, oh hey,
Yeah. Hello. Hi. Tapos na kami mag-swimming. Tapos na kami mag-swimming. Mag-chichay.
on a sunset sky. If I lost myself on the way to become someone, now it's just all in my head, but I can't shake it off. And I'm tired of changing things I can't help. Yeah, I need to fall in love with myself. I keep running backwards beside myself, seeing if my face still looks like me.
Magkanya gini kimi-kimi on ano.
Ben, ano nga pagka Ben?
Mong nailaman.
Wala mo yung talaga?
But I wonder what you do if you saw the pain in my eyes. I wonder
Service.
what I'd lose
Gagawa ng bahay. Sa may
if I
kasama.
lost myself all the way
Bigas.
to become someone. Now it's just
Bakit digdi ka na tayo? Kasari.
can't shake it off.
Pero minuto talaga ng lakaw. Puro harayo dun pala.
Yeah, I need to fall in love with my selfish ways and
Maray pa ka, madiretso ang motor pala na eh.
something, but I'm not a hero at all. And I'm tired of changing things I can't help. Yeah, I need to fall in love with myself. I thought it'd be easy to run away.
Oh Ben, butasan mo an Ben.
Abot.
Butasan mo an.
Nakapaudo ako.
Doon na siya.
Open flame, and I started to love me again. But I wonder what you'll do. Now you've seen the pain in my eyes, and I wonder what I'd lose if I lost myself all the way to become someone. Now it's just all in my head, but I can't shake
Trespassing
it
ka talaga.
off. And I'm tired of changing things I can't help. Yeah, I need to
Lusot na tayo. Lusot na.
Problemado pag tulog. Hindi sana ako nagpirat kapitan. Ayop magdayapin. Hihiling pinipitira ka nagulog.
May talapangan eh. Aling gato lang. Deeper. Ito malapit. Sobrang init bago mo. Pero yung likod nila. Ganda. Tarapos na magtarapas. Oruli na.
Ay, nagsinalyan.
Uwi na.
Flowers, I'm looking for a clock. It doesn't count the hours. I'm looking for a high that never lets me down. I've been trying to find a treasure buried on the ground.
medyo ginabi na dahil galing kami sa Legazpi nga kanina. Itulong doon para gumawa ng para sa kasal ni Kuya Paclin sa Martes. So ngayon, papunta naman ako kay Jem, sa boss manager. Sa Libong Holy Week, nandun siya sa kanila. Last day, last night, doon naman ako matutulog sa kanila. So, ganun na talaga. Buhay ng mga taga-probinsya, tatrabaho sa Manila, may oras talaga, may panahon na kailangan na naman natin bumalik sa realidad. Nakakalungkot man, ilang araw na bakasyon, buong Holy Week, nagkakasama, masaya. Pero, yan, pati sa point na inuwan mo lang naman sila para magtrabaho. Mga probinsyano dyan, nakakaintindi ng sitwasyon at alam nila yung nag-feel ganitong mga oras na uwian. Ramdam mo kayo. Yes, kasi napakahirap. Wala na lang, yun yan, yung sinasabi nila, parang nagapurot ka lang din. Kahit po sabihin, lagi naman umuwi kapag may holiday. Iba pa rin talaga pag yung nasanay ka ilang araw na kasama sila. So, mahirap ulit mag-adjust. Kailangan mo mag-adjust. Siyempre naman, kasi yun yung prioridad. So, salamat dahil sa kahit ilang araw masaya ang bakasyon. Hintay ulit ng isang taon para mangulit. Maganda naman yung naging experience ngayong holiday. So, last night, bukas, papalik na kami ng Manila ulit. Sana hindi traffic. So, expected traffic, pero sana hindi masyadong traffic sa daan para si Jeff hindi masyadong mapagod. Kasi nga, doble ingat kami niya para sa health niya. So, yun lang naman. Yun yung naging buhay namin ngayong buong holiday. So, medyo random lang kasi nga, kung ano lang dumating, masayang experience na pwede namin maranasan. So, go lang ang girl. So, yun lang naman. Kita Kids, Manila. Kita Kids ulit sa Dahan. Watch.